Hi everyone, welcome back to this series of project management key concepts from the project management body of knowledge. And this one in particular we're looking at is rolling wave planning. So what is rolling wave planning? Well, it's an iterative planning technique. And even that should tell you that we're really delving into the realm of Agile, where we've got iterations and we're delivering increments. And this is where rolling wave planning can come into it, because in the near term, it's planned in detail. So things that are coming up quite close, planned in great detail, while the further work way out here, for example, planned in detail, and way out here is planned at a higher level. So we just want a basic idea of the stuff coming way off in the distance. So rolling wave planning is a form of progressive elaboration because of that. It's applicable to work packages, so the packages that we're assigning to our teams to deliver as part of our project, planning packages, and also release planning when using an Agile or waterfall approach. The techniques that you'll see for rolling wave planning include decomposition, because we're starting with a high level, for example, a feature, if we're using feature-driven development, and we're decomposing that into work packages that our teams can work on and then deliver for that iteration, for example. And of course, iterative scheduling with a backlog of work. Let's say that our feature wants to be delivered for this particular 2-week iteration, and we're breaking that down, assigning that to our teams, saying, can you work on this? Can you work on this? Can you get it delivered for the end of our iteration? And yes, for this particular one we can. That goes from the backlog into usually a Kanban board, or basically into that iteration for our teams to work on when we're using Agile. So why do we do rolling wave planning? Well, it's during our early strategic planning, when information is less defined, work packages may be decomposed to the known level of detail. When we're first doing a project charter, for example, we don't know all of the nitty-gritty detail. So we might have to start with a high-level feature or a high-level idea and work from there. And then as we get closer to working on those items in more detail, then we break it down. As more is known about those upcoming events in the near term, then those work packages can be decomposed, and that's that key term from the PMBOK guide. They can be decomposed into the actual activities that we will perform to get that work done. And that is rolling wave planning.